Come here, baby. Take off your sweater. Take off your sweater. Whoa! Come here, baby. Let's take off your sweater. See, I just had my dinner, so I got energy. Tell me about that. What you got? What's that? Ooh.
Puzzle? Is that for your puzzle? Catch your puzzles?
Fair, what's outside? What's outside? Huh? She's coming to get me. I want to look at the camera. Hi, baby. Hey there. You had a big day today? Went to school? No, we didn't go to school today. That's tomorrow. All right. We just had dinner. A lot of energy right now. Thank you. Can I have that? Thanks.
You have a lot of energy. Mommy gave you some glucose food. All that sugar in. Maybe I should have done that.
We had fruit berry salad.
For dessert.
For dessert.
Thank you. Mommy wants it for thank you. What are you doing, Mama? Sarah, what are you? You're not a baby.
That girl is...
Sarah's not a baby. Come on, Sarah.
There she
Sarah's not a
is.
baby.
All right. Want me to take that? Okay, I'll put that up. All right, wave bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.